Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a long time that I have posted a video, so let's get going and talk about Sputnik 5, which as per Russia is the first COVID-19 vaccine. There have been lot of talks about COVID-19 vaccine. Researches, trials, studies लगभग पूरे वर्ल्ड में हर जगह चल रहे हैं. And Russia have claimed it to be the first country who made the vaccine for the global pandemic, which they called it as Sputnik 5. But हमारे दिमाग में क्वेश्चन ये अराइज होता है, is it an effective vaccine? Who has certified it? ये किसे मिलेगी? कितना कॉस्ट होगा? And who can access the vaccine? And सबसे important question, क्या ये safe है? Let's see what Russia claims. They claims that they have developed first COVID-19 or the Wuhan virus vaccine, and along with it, Russian claims that they have given regulatory approvals. And what does that mean? It means that the vaccine has been cleared for mass use in Russia. Russian President Vladimir Putin calls it a very important step for the world. Let's see how it works. One of his own daughter has been a subject for the vaccine and is showing no problems whatsoever. Actually, what Russia claims is this vaccine has more stable antibody and the cell-mediated immune response. Russian president himself said that his daughter took part in the experiment and which showed good results. He himself tells about the events following the dose given to his daughter. After the first dose of the vaccine, temperature was 38 degrees Celsius and following day, it was a bit over 37. And after second dose was given, temperature also rose a bit and she feels great and that's it. So when can we expect the vaccine to hit the market? According to the Russian Deputy PM, the industrial production of vaccine will start by September, that is by next month. And according to the website of Russian State Register of Pharmaceuticals, vaccine is expected to appear in circulation by January 2024. According to Russia, the first one to get the vaccine are the high-risk groups, that is medical health workers and teachers. Now comes the question of the evening. Is the Russian vaccine safe? Or did they compromise necessary steps needed for clinical trials in order to come with first COVID-19 vaccine? Let's look at some of the facts. The trial for the COVID-19 vaccine or the Russian vaccine, it began on June 18th, 2020 and there were less than 100 number of volunteers. There comes another question. How did the Russia develop the vaccine in less than 3 months, or did they skip some of the steps in order to speed up the process? To which Vladimir Putin say no. But many in Russia do not agree with that. And among these, one is Russian Association Clinical Trial Organization. It told Health Ministry that widespread use of drug would be dangerous. And why is that? It is because the clinical trial began as late as June and less than 100 people have received the dosage. Similar things are said by other countries too. Anthony Fauci, USA's infectious disease expert, he questions Russia's fast-track approach. In fact, says that is China or Russia testing the vaccine before they are giving it to anyone? So is there merit in their doubts of the fast-track approach for Sputnik 5? Yes, we can say that. According to the World Economic Forum, effective vaccine takes more than 10 years or more than $500 million to develop. 10 years is not an option given the urgency of the situation right now, so countries fast-track the approach, but shortcuts are not an option either. Vaccine production has many stages. It has a preclinical trials on animals and clinical trials are in 3 phases. Phase 1, small groups of people are tested and get the dose. Phase 2, hundreds of people are given the dose to determine the dose. And phase 3, thousands of the people are tested for any side effects. Then it is cleared by regulations and given for manufacturing. But Russian vaccine Sputnik 5 has not yet cleared stage 3. That means it is yet to be tested for mass efficacy and safety. So how it is a legitimate vaccine? To which Russian government says desperate time comes desperate measures. In the time of Cold War, it was a race for the space. But in 2020, it is a race to find a vaccine. But till now, Sputnik 5 hasn't been stamped by WHO and says that it is in talk with the Russian authorities and it will rigorously review and assess the safety and efficacy data.
So guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you feel that this video is informative, then do give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel, as you deserve health, so be safe.